So listen up. What does this mean? If that title doesn't catch your attention, like if you're watching this live with me, please tell me and laugh with me, and if you're watching the replay, you've seen the title. And one Benjamin, 3 friends equals $500. Okay, let me tell you why. In early March, I was praying and asking God to please help me. I wanted to help 100 women, right? Just like it was a number I had set in my head. I want to help 100 women succeed in their online businesses. And the funniest thing is I wasn't thinking the direction that I'm going, right? So I was thinking along a completely different path, and God does that to me all the time. So March 20th, something was like thrown in my lap, and I was just blown away. I'm like, oh my gosh, I am going to be able to help so many people. And that was before we knew how horrible this was going to be. And I stole this from Josh Feltz, and I'm going to say it again, that this virus is going to bankrupt more people than it's going to kill. And that brings me to tears, and not because of how horrible it is and how many people are going to lose their lives. Hey babe, my whole thing is what is going to happen with the aftermath, right? So this platform has been thrown at me. I get to help people every day succeed and bring money into their homes. And I'm so blessed and I'm so thankful. And I thank the Lord every day for his blessings. There are a lot of people out of work. There are a lot of people who still have their jobs. I'm blessed. My husband and my sons are still working. I get to work online. I just feel like you have to be aware of what's going to happen afterwards. It's going to be worse economically afterwards, right? So we have a platform. Some of the girls who have joined me are on here, and I need you to know that if you can separate yourself, if you can invest $100 in yourself and invite 3 friends to join you in this platform, that within days you can be having cash coming into your home. Literally have a check in your mailbox. Okay, so I know it sounds silly, I know, but this isn't to replace anything. So many of my friends, you are out there and you have businesses and you love them and you're helping so many people, and that's awesome. This is someone who wants training to build their business online. This is someone who wants to have another source of income. This is someone who is at home and can't work now, is out of work and wants to do something online, but maybe doesn't want to, have to sell a physical product. Anyway, I'm rambling. I really need you to think about this and think about the people who need this. Maybe it's not you. Maybe someone needs to see this video. I want to help as many women as I can. Men too, fine, but, I focus on helping women. That's my thing, right? So, okay. I don't even think I said I'm Sherry Underwood, and I hope that this is helpful. I'm not reading comments. I'm sorry. Hi, babe. I hope that if you think of someone that needs something like this, that you will pass it on. I hope that if you need something additional, you'll message me. I just want to be a blessing, and I've been handed the most wonderful thing from the good Lord, and I'm just so happy to be able to pass it on.